Okay, hello everyone. So today we are going to continue digit extraction session in the Java. So what is the meaning of digit extraction? Means suppose this is a number, just as a small recap, and I want to separate all the digits. Means I want to separate 1, I want to separate 2, I want to separate 3 and 4. This is basically called digit extraction. And digit extraction is a very important concept in looping. Okay, and we can solve lot of problems with the help of digit extraction. Today I'm going to discuss Armstrong number. Anybody have the idea about the Armstrong number? It's totally based on digit extraction. 153 is the Armstrong number. What is the reason? Just 1 minute, please. I will explain you about the reason. What the reason behind? Just 1 minute. 153. तो सबसे पहले हम सारी डिजिट को सेपरेट करेंगे. 1, 5 and 3 will be separated, and after that the cube of every digit, and then after that the cube of every digit should be calculated. मतलब summation of cube of every digit means like that. क्लियर? हर एक डिजिट के क्यूब का सम अगर ओरिजिनल नंबर के बराबर आ जाए तो उसको हम लोग आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग कहते हैं. तो 1 का क्यूब 1, 5 का क्यूब 125 एंड 3 का क्यूब 27. Now let me add all the number and check whether the sum is equal to the 153 or not. 7 or 1 8, 13, 2 2 4 and 1 5, and this is 1. Now you can see this is equal to this. Do you understand? Do you understand? Can you please confirm? Can you please confirm? Okay, just 1 minute. Please understand. See, what are the other Armstrong number? What are the other Armstrong number? Okay, 1634 is the another example of the Armstrong number. Now, after that, if we check the another number like 371 is also the Armstrong number. You can check by yourself. I have already explained and told you, first of all, we have to understand the question, then we can go for the implementation part. So 371, 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube. Can you please calculate? Can you please calculate? Anyone? And please tell me whether it is equal to 371 or not. Take your own time. Okay, someone is calculating. Yes, it is equal. Very good. 3 3s are 9 3s are 27. 7 7 the 49. 49 into 7 is 343. And the cube of 1 will be 1. So let me add 3, 43 and 27 plus 1, 28. 11, 7 and 3. Now it is again confirmed that 371 is also the Armstrong number. When I will create my program in the Java, then we need to check that program by passing some numbers. So I am just finding out what are the Armstrong number. You understand? Now I'm going to develop the program. Can you please respond? Do you understand? Yes, most of the people are responding. My video is not clear. Someone is saying my video and audio is not clear. How it is possible? Everybody is saying that it is clear. Yes, yes. Most of the people are watching. Continue, please. No excuses. Okay. Now, just I want to clear all this drawing, and let me start Java. Okay. 1 second, please. I have already created a fold file, digit extraction, because it is the topic related to the digit extraction demo. I want to remove all these things. Removed all these things. Okay. Armstrong number. Okay. That is 153. Okay. My question is, write a program to input a number and check whether it's Armstrong number or not. We have to check whether the input number is Armstrong number or not. That is 153. And after that, we have also taken some other 1624, 1634. 1 minute. First of all, I want to write the proper. Okay. Now class extraction demo, and there's a class body, then public static void main string args, scanner ob is equal to new scanner system.in int num. This is the number, this is a variable in which I will take the number. Okay. We required some more supporting variables like p and sum. Okay, that's it. System dot out dot print enter number, and num is equal to ob dot next int. One very important thing we have to do. Very important thing. Suppose I have a document, officially documents I have. Suppose this is my mark sheet, high school mark sheet. And I know that this mark sheet will be submitted tomorrow in the college, yeah, in the school. And I also need this mark sheet for our record purpose. And I know this mark sheet will be submitted tomorrow. The original mark sheet will be submitted tomorrow in the college. And I also need this high school mark sheet. Then what we will do? हम क्या करेंगे? I never ask any question which is not related to our topic. I know my mark sheet will be submitted tomorrow. and I also need one copy of that mark sheet for our record purpose. I will make the photocopy of this mark sheet. Say yes or no. Please, can you please respond? Please respond. Okay, do you understand this thing? Yes. Most of the people are saying sir yes, ऐसा ही करेंगे हम लोग इसकी एक फोटोकॉपी करा लेंगे. अब देखो, अब यहां पर देखो, I just want to clear this drawing. Okay. अब हमें मालूम है कि जब हम ये लूप चलाते हैं, num is greater than 0, this is loop is for digit extraction. तो हमारा नंबर पूरी तरह से डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है. Our number will be completely destroyed. But we need that number for comparison purpose. तो before destroying that number, हम इसकी एक कॉपी D में स्टोर कर लेंगे. तो वो D is a variable which is holding the num. तो हमने num का एक बैकअप D में ले लिया. मतलब जो num होगा वही D में स्टोर हो जाएगा. I will explain you in the better way कि हमने ऐसा क्यों किया. Just 1 second. अब देखो, P is equal to num modulus 10. It is used to extract the last digit. Used to extract the last digit. Okay. Now, अब उस डिजिट का हमको क्यूब करके सम में ऐड करना है. तो सम इज इक्वल टू सम प्लस पी इंटू पी. किसी भी नंबर को अगर हम 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो उसका क्यूब हो जाता है. नम इज इक्वल टू नम डिवाइडेड बाय 10. ओके. नाउ अब सारी डिजिट के क्यूब का सम में है. होल्डिंग द सम of cube of all digits. Correct. Now this sum should be equal to the original number. Sum should be equal to the original number, but original number has been destroyed after this loop. So I will compare the sum with D, and D is also the same number which I have taken as a backup. Now system dot out.print Armstrong number. 1 second, please. Don't worry, I will explain. I will explain you, not a Armstrong number. Understand? Ab, let me compile. Now there is a one. Our favorite error is scanner undefined. Import java.util.asterisk. Done. Compile. D is undefined variable. No problem. Let me define the D, because every variable must be defined. Now sum have not been initialized. तो जब भी हम sum करते हैं तो sum variable को 0 लेना बहुत जरूरी है. Okay. Just 1 second. Now it's fine. अब हम इसे कंपाइल करने के बाद एक बार इसको रन कर लेते हैं. Then after that I will explain you by dry run. Okay. Now I'm just typing some number 153 Armstrong number. Okay. Just 1 minute. And again I am executing one. What are the other number? Can you please reply? 371. Yes, is a Armstrong number because we have tested this number. And also one more number, 1634. Just 1 minute. I'm just checking my program is working fine or not. 1634. What are the number actually? 1634. Okay. Just 1 minute. 1634. 1634. 1 minute, please. It's not an Armstrong number. We have to check it. 1634. Maybe it's not an Armstrong number. Okay. Because if it is an Armstrong number, then my program will detect it. 1634 is not an Armstrong number. Okay. Let me check 308. Someone is saying that 308 is also the Armstrong number. No. Very good. Let me check. 308. 308. Not Armstrong number. It is also not Armstrong number. Okay. So 153 is Armstrong number. 371 is Armstrong number. And these numbers are not Armstrong number. Let me check one more number. $407. 407. Yes. 407. We have to check whether it's Armstrong number or not. Correct. It's Armstrong number. And other than they are not Armstrong number. Okay. I'm checking the Armstrong number on the basis of this logic. ठीक है? Sum digit के cube का sum. The sum of the digits cube is equal to the original number. Now it's fine. Sir, no sir. I was saying 1634's number was 308, so it's not an Armstrong number. Okay. I understand. Ananda, thank you. Take it. Okay. See, I just want to do the dry run first of all. Okay. So what are the dry run? This is the dry run is very important. So just 1 second, please. Then you will understand the story of this D is equal to sum. Just 1 second, please. So for dry run purpose, I'm just taking my number, which is very much confirmed, that is 153. Clear? Okay. Now after that, what we are doing, I'm just taking the num into D also as a photocopy or as a backup. So D will be 153. Dry run is a very important activity. Please fully concentrate on this. Okay. So now num is 153 and D is also 153. Now come to the loop part. Num is greater than 0. Yes, num is very greater than 0. So num modulus 10 यानी 153 को 10 से डिवाइड करो. तो डिवाइड करने के बाद P में क्या आएगा? Do you have any idea or should I explain again? 153 divided by 10. So 10 ones are 10, jaldi se, bahut jaldi, and 10 fives are 50. And what about the remainder? Remainder will become 3, and I have written used to extract the last digit. So 153 ki last digit 3. I have also taken one variable sum that is initially 0 and sum is equal to sum plus. यानी इस 0 में हमें add करना है p का cube. So what is p? P is 3 and 3 into 3 into 3 27. 27 plus 0 will become 27. Clear? अब हमें नंबर को श्रिंक और रिड्यूस करना है. तो num is equal to num by 10. यानी num को 10 से डिवाइड करो and take the quotient. So my quotient is 15. So num will become 15. Again we have to check out the condition. Num is greater than 0. 15 is greater than 0. अब हम 15 को 10 से डिवाइड करेंगे, then what will happen? तो 15 divided by 10. 10 ones are 10, no problem. I don't feel any problem. I have no any problem in doing the dry run. So P में क्या आएगा? You will get 5 and 5 into 5 into 5, 5 into 5 into 5 is 125, and 125 will be added in sum, and sum is 27. So 125 plus 27. 125 plus 27 will become 152 if I am not wrong. तो sum हो जाएगा हमारा 152, correct? Then num is equal to num by 10. So in this form the quotient will be stored in num, so that will be 1, correct? Now 1 is greater than 0. As you all know that if the single digit is divided by 10, तो ये 0 टाइम जाएगा, 10 zeros are 0 and remainder will become 1 and p will store 1. Where is my p? This is my p. And 1 into 1 into 1 because p is 1. तो 1 का cube होता है 1. तो 1 will be added in sum. तो sum is 152 and 152 plus 1, 153. Understand? Now num is equal to num by 10. Now num will become absolutely 0 because we have to take the quotient is 0. Now you have to observe one very important point. What is the status of num? What is the status of num? Num has become 0. Means num is fully destroyed. Clear? Understand? Num has become 0. After this loop, num will always become 0. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now, just 1 minute, just 1 second, please. Now we have to compare this sum with the original value, but original value has been destroyed. As you know that, as you are seeing that num has been destroyed. So where I have taken the backup? I have taken the backup of num in D. Hope you understand the purpose of D right now. तो अब हम इस sum को num से तो compare नहीं कर सकते, but we can compare this sum with D. Understand? Just 1 second, please. So let me show you. We are comparing sum with D. So what is sum? 153. What is D? Is again 153. So if both are same, then we can say it's a Armstrong number. And my D is also 153. And the condition will be true, then Armstrong number will be printed. I don't want to take more question today. This is sufficient for today. And please tell me, do you understand or should I explain some point more? Feel free to ask the questions. I don't have any problem. Computer is my favorite subject. That's why I'm teaching. So I never feel any problem in re-explain and dry run. Please tell me. Any problem? Should I explain again? Are you all sure about it? Madhav? Okay. Okay. So this is the Armstrong number. I think it is also is in the list of homework. Okay. Someone is asking any question related to the homework. Can you please tell me which question you want to ask? Okay, you can type your question. I will consider it. Arnav, Aninda, you can type your question. I will copy and paste over here like that. I can copy. Okay. Just I can type your question like this. I have a question. Please, some interruptions are coming actually. Please control yourself. Okay. Someone is asking what about the Dicerium number? Diserium number. It's also a very famous and important question. Just 1 minute. Most of the colleges have been asked this question many times, like CMS, San Francis, La Martiniere. Okay, what is, first of all, we have to understand what is. Now, I want to tell you very important thing is that word ka, I'm not talking about, I am talking about word. Word ka koi bhi number ab aa jaye. If you know the procedure of digit extraction, you can solve any question. This is my guarantee. 1 minute, please. 135 is the Diserium number. How it is Diserium? जितने भी नंबर्स हैं, जो नंबर जिस पोजीशन पे है उसको उसी पोजीशन से पावर करिए. 1 आपका 1 पोजीशन पे है, 3 will be on second position, 5 will be on third position. Now 1 to the power 1, 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3. Now let me calculate all the number. 1, 9 plus 125. Very intelligent team with me of the mathematics. 9 plus 1, 10. 125 plus 10. Do you understand why 135 is a Diserium number? Do you understand? I have given the description. मैं इस क्वेश्चन को आप लोगों से ही ट्राई करवाना चाहता हूं. But if you face any problem, my second lecture will be completely based on Diserium and palindrome. I will discuss in that. But before that, you have to full try. Okay? Okay. If it is any kind of urgency from your college side, you just tell me. My lecture, I will immediately upload the lecture of the Diserium. I have one lecture. Okay? So I think that this is enough for today. You just do and do the practice of these questions. Okay. Thanks to all of you. And I just want to stop, sir. Yes, Ananda, please tell. I'm waiting. Ananda, you want to ask any question? I'm waiting for your reply. Okay, how many questions we have to do? Okay, I just want to set up at least 4 question, 4 to 5 question you have to try. Okay, minimum 2 questions. Okay, and one more thing, I think recording is stopped or not, let me check. Okay, and ready for the online test in 7 days. 7 दिन में हम एक टेस्ट कंडक्ट करेंगे. टॉपिक इफ एल्स, स्विच केस, slab based. Okay, looping I will not take in the test, you don't worry about that, and some theory little. Okay, test will be conducted in the presence of, your parents with proper integrity. Understand? Okay. Now I'm just closing this session. Okay.